Hello everyone. Okay, this video today is going to be quite a short one, just based on ideologies and party ideologies. Now, the first thing to understand is ideology means a set of ideas and principles. And what you need to know for the exam is basically what is meant by left-wing ideology and what is meant by right-wing ideology. Now, for now, we're just going to do it quite briefly because when we look at the different ideologies in much more detail after the Christmas holidays in kind of January and February time. But basically, what you need to know are the key things about them. Now, I've sent you, or I will be sending you, a copy from this book by Paul Cordy. He does quite a nice little summary, I think that's probably the right word, of the two different ideologies, left wing and right wing. When you look at those little summaries, what I would like to do in your work booklet is that on the page where it starts off with ideology, you need to summarise in 100 words or something what are the key features of left wing and what are the key features of right wing. Once you've done that, on the next page there's a table, and on the left hand side it's got a number of factors or issues. It's got things like taxation, belief in change, individualism stroke collectivism. There's a whole range of little factors, and what you need to do is use the information from the Paul Cordy book and any other sources just to summarize what's the left-wing view of things like taxation and the right-wing view of taxation. So if you get that done, that would be great. As I said, I'll either be sending out to you, or I've already have sent out to you, the ideology bit from the Paul Cordy book. So you need to complete that, and then we're going to move on to the Conservative Party and have a look at that party in some detail.